Hey guys, welcome to the channel and compliments of the season to everyone. Okay guys, so this video is a moi-moi recipe and I just decided to film the process since we're in the holiday season. So yeah, I'm starting off with okay, so the quantity I'm making is about is it like I think about 3 Dericas of moi-moi, and I'm going to be using the moi-moi leaf to wrap it. So this is just me showing you guys everything that I'll be using. So I already soaked the beans, so I'll be making use of long pepper, bell peppers, habanero, a lot of onions, I'll be putting garlic as well. And yeah, this is me trying to peel the beans. I'm going to be using my Ninja blender. As you guys can see, I'm just scooping a lot with a lot of water just so that it's easier to peel. So yeah, I'm just going to be using the pulse button on the blender to peel the beans just about 3 or 4 times. And because I've already soaked the beans, so it's going to be easier to peel that way. And after this process, all I need to do is to just rinse out, like I'll rinse out the shaft and our bean would be ready. So yeah, this is me showing you the process of removing the shafts. You guys can see I'm just using my sieve to make it easier for myself. Remove the shaft, sieve out the water, put new water, like a clean water, and yes, we're good to go. So I'm done with the rinsing out, and you guys can see the shaft already. So after this process, now we're moving on to blending. So yeah, I'm just going to be putting it bit by bit just because I don't want to overwork the blender, and I want the blender to give me like a very smooth consistency. So I'm just going to, it's a lot, trust me. If I had my way, or if I was in Nigeria, I'm definitely going to be taking this quantity to the commercial people who blend. But yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, I think not even I think, I'm certain that I got about 2 of those bowls. I almost forgot my crayfish, so I poured hot water, removed the head, and just rinsing out the dirt. So now I'm adding the crayfish to the blender, and I'm also adding like more onions, guys, like more onions. So this is the last batch, and yes, I think yeah. And once I'm done doing this, I'll have to start prepping for the making the moi-moi, guys. So yeah, I'm done blending now. You guys can see the quantity, guys, like it is a lot. It's about like it is a lot, you guys can see. So I'm just mixing it to make it more fluffier and all. So like it's a lot, guys. That's why I'm using my 2 hands, just because I just want I want everything to be well mixed before I start adding my spice. So I'm going to be using about 10 eggs, boiled eggs. Yeah, I'm going to be using about 10 boiled eggs, and I'm also going to be using smoked mackerel fish. I said fish. So I'll be using 10 boiled eggs and smoked mackerel fish, and I smoked the mackerel fish myself. I washed and cleaned it and used my air fryer to smoke it like on 200 degrees for about 15 minutes, no, about 20 minutes, because I wanted it to be very smoked, because the people in my house don't like boiled mackerel fish. So yeah, this is it about 20 to 30 minutes later. So this is my seasoning powder. It's Knorr. I'm not going to be putting it in the pudding. I'm not going to be putting it in like that. I'm going to dissolve it. And yes, guys, this is nutmeg, local nutmeg that I grated. It's a secret ingredient, guys. Try it and come and thank me later. So this is me putting my vegetable oil. After putting the vegetable oil, I'll mix it, like give it a good mix. Yeah, now I'm going to be adding my nutmeg, guys. My it's the local one that I grated, so it's a secret ingredient, guys. And my dissolved seasoning powder. Guys, don't put a lot, so that's just, we already have a lot of onions there, so you don't even need too much seasoning to still come out banging. So this is something else that is very, very optional, but I am very, very extra, guys. That's why I'm doing this. I like to put eggs, even though I'm just, for these large quantities, I'm putting just 2 eggs, just because I have this mindset that it makes it more fluffier. I might be wrong, like, you guys can, just do you. This particular step is not necessary. This is just personal, like my personal way of doing it. And I'm going to be putting like just a little bit of salt. Yes, trust me, it's a little bit, even though it's looking like it's a lot, it's a little bit. The quantity of the moi is a lot. So now, like I said, I'm very extra, but you guys, this is me pouring. So I melted my butter, just a little bit though. I melted it in the microwave and just added. Guys, this is also like another secret ingredient. Like, I don't know, should I call it ingredients, but this is another step that I do, that I just know that it just makes the moi bang. But it's totally optional, guys. It is optional. So this process now, the process of wrapping the moi, I know that a lot of people like find it difficult to do. Trust me, I used to be in that shoes, but now that I know how to do it, like, it's just very easy. It is just very, very easy. Just put your leaves together, your washed, these leaves are already washed, by the way, and just look at what I'm doing. So I'm not going to forward this part. I'm going to try to, like, I hope you guys, like, you can just rewind and replay again. Trust me, it is very easy to do, very, very easy. Just make sure that the stem at the back, you've cut it as well. Guys, I'm just play this in slow-mo anyway, just to make you guys understand how I went about it. It is very easy, trust me. I hope this was like detailed enough for you guys. Like, it's not even difficult, and I trust that you guys are going to get it. Yes, so because I actually know that a lot of people like find it difficult wrapping using the moi leaves. That's why I decided to show the process here. And yes, guys, I just decided to add a little bit of water. Oh god, it's my hand that you guys are seeing, please pardon me. So, like, you don't need a lot to, like, you guys saw the quantity that was in the pot at the beginning. I just decided to add a little bit more, and that's it. So you don't need a lot of water. What the moi needs to cook is steam, just like jollof rice. Just make sure that you're cooking on like low medium heat, so that it would steam up. And you guys, yeah, you can see that I have used the leaf to also cover it, just so that it steams very fast. So I'm trying to cover the whole pot now, and I'm going to be using the pot lid to cover everything, so it's just steams up. And then I'm going to reduce the fire to low to medium heat. You don't need it to be too much, so it doesn't burn. So guys, I noticed that the butter is a lot, like it is a lot. So, and I noticed that my mackerel fish and the eggs, they're like a lot as well. So I just thought that let me pour everything into the batter and just mix it up. It will make it easier and faster for me as well. So that's why I decided to do this. And I'm also showing you guys, like, I'm another like a continuation of me wrapping it. Just I just really want everybody to everyone who is interested in knowing how to wrap moi moi leaves should be able to. I just want everybody to know how to do it, like if you're interested in knowing it. So that's why I'm showing this process again, and I hope it makes sense, Sha. Please, I hope it does. So this is about 40 to 45 minutes later. The moi is already like ready. And don't be like me, guys. Please always use your kitchen towel. I know that in all my videos I'm used to using my hands, and this is actually bad. See me using my hand to remove the leaf. This is bad, guys. Please don't be like me. Please do not be like me, or use your kitchen towel to avoid any form of, bonds, please. So I'm going to be showing you guys the results in a second, but please don't forget to subscribe, guys. It will mean a lot to me if you guys subscribe and just encourage me. Subscribe, like this video, and just drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.